Oh my god. Oh. That was not what I was expecting. Today, I'm in Dawson City, Yukon. There's a thriving community of artists, cabin dwellers, and small-scale organic farmers. Charlie Papps is one such person growing food in these subarctic climates. They're a well-respected member of the 2S LGBTQ+ community and the driving force of Big Gay Farm.
Fruits are so gay.
Is this a fruit?
I can't help myself. You got some big Legos, you can make big things. Go on, Pumpernickel.
You heard it here first.
So no matter where I go, I feel like I'm surrounded by family. We're at Big Gay Farm, Upper West Dawson. Big gay little farm. My name's Charlie, pronouns they, them. We're on the land of the Trondheim, also known as the Yukon. It's famous for the gold rush and all the people just coming to dig up the earth and whatnot. The vision for Big Gay Farm being that queer hub and to bring in people who are interested in farming, people who are interested in creating art out in the woods here. I got like 10 years experience now, whether in Toronto or in the Slocan Valley or here. I'm just building greenhouses and building garden beds wherever I go. Big Gay Farm itself is kind of like a queen on a float. Like, pay attention to me. We exist and you can't get away from it. We're gonna have stickers everywhere and everyone's gonna know our name and know that this is the place to come and you're safe here. And that's huge. I just learned like 6 years ago that queers could exist outside of the city. Being queer in this world is often very traumatizing, and we hid the Big Gay Farm name until we knew that we could get a place at market. The person who runs the market is human, and we were worried that might hinder things. My goal is to just offer some food to this community that is local, that doesn't have to be shipped halfway across the world. There's a huge need for fresh vegetables in this town. They're hard to get a hold of. Everyone flocks to the grocery store on a Saturday because that's when the truck comes in. Your produce will go bad within 3 days.
And what do you grow in here?
I got everything mixed all together with whoever likes to be friends with each other. Rainbow carrots, cabbages, rutabaga, Swiss chard, rainbow Swiss chard.
Big Gay Farm and all.
I can't help myself.
Okay, what's the difference between a greenhouse and like an open flower bed?
That's part of the experiments that I'm running right now. With the sand here and the elevation, it's about 5 degrees warmer than the temperatures you have in town. I guess I've been playing around with how to utilize the land and what is possible to grow here in such a challenging climate. I got some stuff that I usually have in the greenhouse out in front here, playing with pots above the soil and in the soil and seeing how they do.
So you're really experimenting.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is potting soil that I have in these containers, and these I planted at the exact same time as the ones up there. There's tiny things. I don't know.
That's a huge difference.
Yeah, the soil makes so much difference. So can I grow things that you'd usually need a greenhouse for outside of a greenhouse?
Right.
Uh-huh.
What are these?
Well, those are patty pans. They're a fun-looking zucchini.
Patty pans?
Yeah. They're cute, right?
They're really cute, yeah.
They got little skirts.
They're so gay.
Yeah. Fruits are so gay.
Is this a fruit? Fruits are so gay.
It was a fruit in my mind for a moment. This is just an emergency greenhouse setup.
Whoa.
Since there's no soil here to use, it all has to be trucked in.
Yeah.
I can make the most use of that soil by putting them in containers, popping them in the ground.
Now what vegetable is this?
Oh, that's oregano.
Yeah, right.
Oregano, yeah.
The old oregano plant.
Yeah.
Okay. What else we got?
Okay, so we got actual oregano, rosemary and thyme and savory here. The tomatoes. What I tried this year is some plants that are grafted and some that aren't to see what the effects are of having this as a root stock. And in theory, it should allow the heirloom tomatoes to be more cold hardy.
Tomatoes in September, what an odd thing. And you sell them?
Sell what I can to help grow the farm. Right now, anything that I eat for myself is out of a little bed down by my place.
This is your home?
Yeah,
You built this?
yeah.
What the hell? How long did this take you?
3 months until it was livable,
Okay.
and I did it on my own. At the beginning of the pandemic, we thought that we were gonna stay where we were in this historic compound until it flooded. And then the government's like, you're out of here. We're not gonna fix it. They tried to get around the contract and not offer us more housing. It's a crisis finding housing in Dawson. The best thing we could come up with was to build. Our friend Andy was like, hey, I need a cabin on my land. You wanna build one? So I was like, sure. I've been wanting to do that for a while now. It was just pure luck or misfortune that we get these opportunities.
How much of this did you forage or salvage?
A lot.
A lot of it?
A lot, yes. The roof is salvaged. The door and all the windows are secondhand. Majority of my materials are local, so any wood is milled locally from the trees around here. That was mainly because all the prices were going up with the pandemic. Anything I could, I got from the dump. My fridge, my stove, half of my tools, all my furniture's from the dump. It's a magical place.
So how did you learn how to build a house from scratch? In my head, I can picture what I can do in 3 months, which would be this maybe at best.
It's surprising when you're working with big materials. You can put up a board in a few minutes. You can do a hell of a lot with big materials.
Yeah?
You've got some big Legos, you can make big things. Go on, Pumpernickel.
You heard it here first. Oh my god, it's so cute in here.
This is a bowl that I got from the trading post, and I drilled a hole in it.
Whoa.
Tables from a yard sale, chairs are from the dump. This whole thing is from the dump.
Like, are these all harvested or
Yes.
foraged? It's so witchy.
Yeah.
Look at your cute cupboards.
Salvaged wood from the dump. I mixed all the paints by hand for the different colors and stuff.
Oh, you didn't find them like this?
No,
Holy man.
the drawer mechanisms are off of some filing cabinets.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
How do you think of filing cabinet, use it for a cupboard drawer? Like, where does that thought come from?
I love daydreaming and stuff, so I get to create stuff like this.
Is that your spice rack?
Yeah, spices and herbs.
Cool.
Yeah. Then I fixed up this fridge, so it purely runs on propane.
And it's cold?
Yeah. It's on the second lowest setting right now. It's actually very efficient.
Wow.
Yeah.
What are you most proud of in here that you've done?
This countertop. This is like a paddle boat. It would fall apart. I took the strapping from the outside of it and epoxy pour over top.
Whoa. Wow, wow, wow. That's wildly impressive.
Thank you.
Wow, I'm impressed by you. Everything I see.
I just want lots of things that obviously have a story, that they've already had a life. There's lots of cute little ghosts attached.
You planting your own food and building your own house, you are clearly interested in living sustainably. Where does that come from?
It feeds me spiritually. I find that everything that brings me joy here, capitalism was trying to supplement with something else. You don't have to make a certain amount of money to actually
Eat
well, feed yourself good things. All that capitalism tries to offer you, it kind of just all falls flat. It's very important for it to be sustainable in any way that I do make money, as much as I don't like money. But rent's real high and we don't own land yet. That's just a hope in the future.
Charlie,
Good morning.
how's it going?
Oh, it's great.
Is this
That's-
the one?
That is the patty pan.
I feel like I need to buy this.
Of course. The market is a way to bring in money. It's also a great way to connect with the community. A lot of people have come up and just been like, I'm a gay too. Or they're the little queers with their parents and they're just like, I would like a sticker, please. And I'm just like, I see you. And so that's very cute.
So nice.
Yeah, I'll see you again soon.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
I think that the community is there to support it.